So remember, always save it first. So what I'm gonna do is to save this. So first Command D, because we don't want to select things, and I'm going to duplicate this layer. I'm going to hide the layer below because I want, this is like my quick way to save projects. Okay, so then you can actually start using paints using the I'm going to use the hard round brush now. Okay, just to, yeah, maybe not hard round brush, let me just use a soft round pressure size brush. Okay, just don't want to get things more naturally feeling. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. So what I'm going to do is to just paint directly as promised. So first I'm going to add a little bit highlights. So here's the thing, eyedropper with this using the color, I think I might make myself a little bit tiny slower or smaller. Okay, because I want folks to actually see the color palette. So basically highlight, get it here, make it more like so. You can add a tiny little bit highlight. Okay, this is just a sum for my reference. Okay, because later I'm going to paint a lot and I'm going to change my mind a lot. So yeah, maybe okay, here got a little bit highlight. Okay, a little bit and cheek and a little bit highlight here, yeah, the this here also a little bit. Okay, and what about the chest? A little bit. Okay, but you don't want to make it like overly oily highlight. Decrease opacity. Just a little bit highlight there. Okay. You want to be quick. You want to be affirmative, but not like too much because you can always change it later. Okay, so the whole highlight is good. So what I'm gonna do is zoom it in a little bit. Focus, always start with the face. The face is pretty badly drawn, to be honest. Okay, it's pretty badly drawn. So what I'm gonna do, I want her to look at me. Okay, so they give me a color, so I'm going to just fine tuning this a little bit. Okay, and the eyelashes is pretty bad, to be honest. What I'm gonna do is to add a little bit texture, all the way to the right. Yeah, this should be darker, then a little bit eyelashes. The opacity is too low. Because sometimes if the opacity is too low, sometimes it will get it, you know, pretty hard for you to see that you actually made some changes. Okay, so for example here, let me just use a brush, just smooth things out. Okay, because I don't want it to be too sketchy, so I want to smooth things out. This mouse is definitely too much to the right, so get this color and just paint over it. Okay, just make the mouse the shape like going inside and outside, inside. Yeah, this is just my way of doing things. Okay, the cheek definitely a little bit too long, adding a little bit shadowy area. Why make this a tiny, like just to quickly make it above it. Okay, this pretty good, just get a neutral tone but decrease opacity a little bit. I don't want to be too like confirm this, and some of the color in between. Let me just bring it down a little bit. Something in between, so it's kind of give you a smudge effect, but I don't want to confirm this yet. So yeah, the nostril kind of good. So let's start dealing with the eye. Okay, the eye too much here. Highlight. Just tiny little thing here. Okay, the nostril should have some sort of highlight. The hair pretty messy. I'm going to increase this opacity because it's already pretty good way to just confirm this now. Maybe make it bigger, okay? Just to make all this like sketchy in between things gone. Okay, we don't want this in between things. Remember, I'm like using traditional ways to do things, so just bear with me a little bit. And everything's just done. So one layer. The ear, like this should like be above. I want to make it layered. It's above, and then this will be below. Change to different color. So the below, like the air, the air above and below should be different. Okay. And make it smooth. Okay, just make it smooth. I choose the smooth things deliberately, just to make it more like magical. Okay, don't use 100 opacity. That will be like too much to confirm this, because okay, here light normally come from above, so I can using the color picker here, like this color, but I can make it brighter and probably to the right side a little bit. Okay, so you can get some sort of a lighting effect, like this, like this. This is like lighting, 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 lighting. Okay, a little bit of lighting, just to make it more magical. Okay, and add a little bit dark. So for example, make it smaller. You don't want some of the messy here. One choice, something like this, and cover some of the lighting. Okay. So the great thing about this is that you can always like adding things about things, adding things about things. Okay. The mouse is too crude. I prefer like they got M shape. Okay, I'm making myself a little bit bigger, even though I am not so good looking at my creation. So the mouse, I want to go like M shape, and then go all the way down. Okay. Right now the mouse is like just one stroke. That's not good. I want this to be M shape and going down and up. Okay. Let me show you. So basically, you can don't erase it. Don't erase it. Just paint over it. Remember, I'm like using. Okay, let me just make myself a little smaller. I'm like using one layer. Okay, so everything should be done cautiously. Okay, make myself a little bigger. So I'm going to use color drooper. Okay, this should like go down a little bit. So go down and up. So I'm going to use this to sort of erase. Okay, going down and up, and we got an M shape, a typical M shape, down. Okay, and then I did not draw the up, so I pretend there was an up, and then down. Okay, I'm going to get this color and make this M a more prominent, but things is like the other side of the mouse, so it's not as prominent as this extrusion. Okay, so then approximate here, make it like a curve, tiny up a little bit, so she's like smiling. Okay, then yeah, then the nose. I'm going to add a little bit pinkish color. So this go a little bit pink. Don't be too much, just a hint. Okay, something like this. Add a little bit here. Okay, so. Okay, this is a little bit too crude. Okay, I'm going to zoom it in a little bit. Maybe fine tuning this. Okay, I'm going to fine tuning this. So let's think about it. The eye. Definitely, this part of the eye is not good enough. So I'm going to fine tune this by get the this color here. Okay, this color, make it more refined. Okay, so like she's looking at you. This would be here, and this would be the skin color. Okay, little bit. This eyes looks wonky, so I'm going to increase the face a little bit. Little bit weird. don't you think? Yeah, I think it's weird. Like going in and out, it should like be here, out. So yeah, that's something I did wrong while I doing the sketch. Then that should don't worry, I'll like correct it along the way. The eyebrow is a little bit weird. It should like go all the way higher. So I'm going to correct this by get the color. Okay, I can always correct everything. And this. Okay, maybe add a little bit. So there will become a like socket going here, going down a little bit curve. Then I can smudge it later. Okay. The mouse, pretty good. Alright, pretty good. The center should have a shadowy area. So what I'm gonna do is to make a slight shadowy area in between. So it's like a up down. So it basically it's like a cylinder sort of thing. So what I'm gonna do is do something like this. If you can refine this, I can like add a highlights. But just here, this should have a bottom and a shadow area. So I'm gonna add a tiny little bit shadow area. Okay, and a highlight. I like highlights pretty good. Just add a tiny little bit. Okay, this I think I can get this smoother. The eyebrow is like a wonky. Oh my gosh! It's not managed to squint and just try to see things a little bit like far away. So sort of see things correctly, and then should when the eyebrow, when I draw the eyebrow, I'm like thinking eyebrow go all the way here, and then it's the nose. This is like a connected area. This seems fine all the way to the up. So I'm going to just leave it here. Nothing actually changed. Okay. Now let's just zoom it out a little bit. Okay. Then I can move down to I think about it. Where should I add? Wait. Just not like looking at me. The eye still not good enough. I think the eye, this part, if you want to like look at you, this eye is not good enough. So I'm gonna get this dark. Make sure like look more at me. This should like here.